Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6a, and I'll show you how to mute notification sounds on this device. So to do that, you first should open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that, you'll see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute the device notifications, you should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel. But by this way, you will mute your device notifications and also the ringtones. If you want to mute only notifications but you want to stay with the ringtones, just hold and unmute this volume panel. After that, just go to the default notification sound section. For example, use the pixel. You just have selected the pixel just sounds. Just go back and tap here to my sounds and select known. Then just click on the right upper corner to select. Now here we have now selected the notification sounds, so this means that our notifications, they will be muted and you will have only your device ringtone sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.